Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you because of I'm order bunch of accessories related on my Tesla car, and as usual my favorite online store, and that store name is Accessory platform. Link is available on video description. So now unboxing. Accessory Tesla side door storage organizer. Price of this one $60, 60. Look at this, the quality. You can fix all the doors and put it the water as well, so you can very easily clean. That one is really amazing. This is a 1, 2, 3, and that one is a 4. So 4 door, 4 storage. I order personally. 2 is a front and 2 is a back. That one is a Tesla plus 3 model is working. So this is my first accessories. You can fix like this. This portion come here. And here one sticker is also available. So this sticker, it's very easily fixed here, the sticky, and it's easy to fix. This is door 1 and this is door 2. The grip is also quite impressive and finishing is quite good. This is door 2. Here is the passenger seat door, both similar kind of same. You can fix like this. This one is quite good and impressive. Door 3. This is the final one, like this. Perfect and looking very impressive. By mistakenly sometimes falling down water or coke. If you really like this unboxing, you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. If you want buy this accessories, the Accessory platform are providing very affordable and richness of each and every accessories. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.